ఓకే హాయ్ ఎవ్రీవన్. సో లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ 10th క్లాస్ బ్యాచ్ వాళ్ళ అయితే అందరు ప్రమోట్ అయిపోయారు. సో తెలంగాణ గవర్నమెంట్ హ్యాస్ ప్రమోటెడ్ దెమ్. సో నౌ ఐ హ్యావ్ ఎ టైమ్ టు ఓకే అప్లోడ్ ఎ వీడియో ఓన్లీ ఫర్ ద న్యూ 10th క్లాస్ బ్యాచ్. సో నేను డైలీ ఒక వీడియో అప్లోడ్ చేస్తా అండ్ ఐ విల్ బి ఎక్స్ప్లెయినింగ్ ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ సమ్ డీటెయిల్లీ. Okay, which will be helping you. So previously I have uploaded a video related to the coordinate geometry, and there we have discussed that introduction related to coordinate geometry, who introduced. Okay, it is what discussed by Rene Descartes. Okay, and it is also known as Cartesian product. Then we have then I have explained you the coordinates. Okay, coordinate system, and after that I have given you some formula. Okay, distance formula. Okay, so I have also explained you some questions related to that, and today I am explaining the things okay related to the distance formula. So today's topic will be you can say distance formula. So we will be deriving the distance formula. Okay, derivation of the distance formula. And I will be giving some examples, and many people have done so many solution, and they have sent me the solutions. So they have done some mistakes. Okay, so chala mistakes unnai. So aa mistakes ani nenu explain chestanu. Okay, so we'll start. So as you may have seen in your textbook, so you have some questions. So they are asking, what is the distance between 4,0 and 8,0. So this question is there in your textbook as an example. So here, if you want to find the distance between these 2 points, so if you use the help of the coordinate system, suppose if I take the same question on the graph, so we can do this thing very easily. Suppose if you want to find the distance between these two, 4,0 and 8,0. So 4,0 and 8,0 both will lies on the x-axis. So this is 4,0, this is 8,0. So if you want to find the distance between these 2 points, so we can easily find out, because we know the distance between each box square is 1 unit. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So the distance between these 2 points will be 4 units. The same thing which I have found, the distance between these 2 points can be found with the help of distance formula. Idi manam distance formula tho kuda chesukochu. Or else what we have done here, you can see we have subtracted 8 from 2, because y-axis is already 0, so no need to worry. So here, so whenever any one of the axis or the ordinate is same, suppose here we have an y coordinates as in 0, 0, so we can directly find the distance between this formula as mod of x2 minus x1. Why we are using mod means the value should not be negative. The distance value which we will be going to get should not be negative. So here we can write this one as this is x1, y1, x2. So 8 minus 4 is 4. So we got the answer as 4 units. So if I use the distance formula, so we will be going to get the same value, x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square. So what is the x2 value here? This is, you have taken this one as an x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. So 8 minus 4, so 8 minus 4 whole square, next 0 minus 0 whole square. So 8 minus 4 is 4 square, 0 minus 0 0 square. So we get 4 square is 16 plus 0 16, root 16 is 4. So we got the same answer. So you just remember, whenever you have any one of the coordinates, suppose x here y coordinates are same, so we need to subtract x coordinate 8 minus 4, so you will be going to get the answer. You can also use this distance formula. Suppose if I take some other question, so now I am taking some other question. So this is also given in your textbook. It is asking to find the distance between 2 points. The points are 8,3 and minus 4,3. So how can you find the distance between these 2 coordinates? Okay, so this can be also done with the help of same formula, or else you can substitute in the distance formula. So if you substitute in distance formula or as I told you, if the y-axis is same, you need to subtract only x. So just here we wrote a formula is nothing but with the help of a graph. If you do this one, suppose first point is 8 comma 3, so this is 8 comma 3, so this is my point 8 comma 3, and second point is minus 4 comma 3, so the minus 4 comma 3. So if you want to find the distance between these 2 points, both will be lying on the same y-axis. Okay, here also we have an same y coordinates. So if you want to find the distance, we can count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So the answer is 12 units. So if I use the formula, see, as I told you, you need to subtract second term minus first term. So mod of x2 minus x1. So what is the x2 value? Minus 4. So minus 8. So minus 4 minus 8. So many of them are making a mistake while adding and subtracting. See, minus 4 and minus 8, when you have a same sign, you need to add the numbers. So you need to add the numbers and keep the same sign. So here we'll be going to get minus 12. Minus 12 mod will get 12 units as an answer. So if I use the same thing if I use to find the same thing with the help of distance formula, so distance formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2. So minus 4 minus 8 whole square plus 3 minus 3 whole square. So minus 4 and minus 8, if you have same sign, so you just remember this concept. See, whenever we have an same signs of the two numbers, we need to add the numbers and keep the same sign. As you know, if you have 4 plus 8 is 12, will going to get plus symbol. Suppose if you have a question 4 minus 8, so whenever you have a two different sign, you need to subtract. 8 minus 4 is 4, bigger number has minus n, so we are going to get minus n. So 8, if you have 8 minus 4, so 8 minus 4 is 4, bigger number has plus n here. So this is the way how you add or subtract the integers. So many of them are making mistake while adding and subtracting. So many people have sent me the questions, but they have made this minor mistake. This is very important. So if you make a single mistake, suppose 0.01% కూడా మిస్టేక్ చేస్తే మీకు ఆన్సర్ తప్పు వస్తుంది. సో ఇట్ మీన్స్ దట్ యూ విల్ బి గోయింగ్ టు గెట్ 0 marks. So there should not be mistake while adding or subtracting the integers. So here we have minus 12 whole square plus 0 minus 0 is 0 square. So here minus 12 whole square is 144, root of 144 is 12. So we got the same answer. If you substitute in distance formula, or you can do directly, we will going to get the same. Okay, so now we have done. Okay, so then they have given some question, okay, in the do this format. Okay, I'm just checking that questions. So some questions are given as 3 comma 8 6 comma 8. So this is the first question, you have to find the distance. Second one is minus 4 comma minus 3 minus 8 comma minus 3. Third one is 3 comma 4 3 comma 8. Fourth question is minus 5 comma minus 8. Next minus 5 comma minus 12. So I'm just taking 4 questions which is given in a textbook. As he's saying, you need to do this. So as I explain you, if you have an same coordinates, so here also we have an y coordinate same, so formula will be x2 minus x1. So second term minus first term, so 6 minus 3, so answer is 3 units. The distance between these 2 points is 3. See, here also we have an same y coordinate, so we need to subtract x coordinate. So x2 minus x1, so minus 8, again we have an minus, so minus here, and x1 value is minus 4, so minus of minus 4. See, so many people are substituting directly. So if x2 value is minus 8, then you need to keep the minus sign, then you need to subtract the number with the integer. So here minus into minus will become plus, so we'll getting minus 8 plus 4. So when we have different signs, so 8 minus 4 is 4, bigger number as plus sign, so we'll getting minus 4 again you need to keep as mod. So here we have a mod, so we have to write the distance in the positive, so 4 units. So here you can see here x coordinate is same, so the formula will change. So now we will be subtracting y2 minus y1. So when the x coordinate is same, we need to subtract the y axis. So 8 minus 4 is 4. So here also we have a distance is 4 units. So what about in this? So here you can see x coordinates are same, so you need to find the distance between the y coordinates. so y2 minus y1, so minus 2l minus of minus 8, so minus 12 minus 2 minus plus 8, so 12 minus 8 is minus 4. This is in mod, so answer is 4 units. Okay, this is a way how can you solve when two coordinates are same. So I am taking some other types of question. So I have a question 2 comma 0 0 comma 4. Second question is 0 comma 5 and 12 comma 0. So now we need to find the distance between these coordinates. So now how can you find this one? Okay, ఇది ఎలా క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి? See, neither x coordinate or y coordinates are same. So x coordinate same లేదు, y coordinate same లేదు. So what we need to do is, so if I plot the same point, suppose if I plot this points on the graph, so first point is 2 comma 0, second one is 0 comma 4. So first one is 2 comma 0, second one is 0 comma 4. So this is an 2 comma 0, this is 0 comma 4. We need to find the distance between these 2 points. Okay, so if I draw this same thing on board, so here we will be having 2 comma 0 and this will be the 0 comma 4. We need to find the distance between these 2 points. So if you want to find the distance between these 2 points, so this can be done with the help of a Pythagoras theorem. So if you know the distance between this point and this point, then you can find the hypotenuse. So this looks like a right angle triangle if you consider this as an origin. With the origin, this is 0 comma 0. Okay, it will be making a 90 degrees angle with x and y axis. Okay, so this looks like a right angle triangle. So if you know the distance between this point and C, the distance between 0 comma 0 and 0 comma 4 is 4 units, and between these 2 points will be 2 units. So this is 4, this is 2. You need to find this. We can substitute this with the help of Pythagoras theorem. So if you substitute in Pythagoras theorem, so we'll get, suppose this is a point A, this is B, and this is O. So AB square is equal to AO square plus OB square. So we need to find the distance between AB square. So AB square is nothing, AO square is 4 and this one is 2 square. So 4 square is 16 plus 4, so we got 20. So AB square is 20, so we need to find the value of AB. So AB is nothing but root 20. So root 20 can be written as 2 root 5. So this is the distance between the 2 points. Suppose if you have some other point, suppose, so to find the distance between points, like suppose we have a point 4 comma 3 and 2 comma 6. Suppose I plotted point, these 2 points on a graph, 4 comma 3 and 2 comma 6. So 2 comma 6, so this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here also I am writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4 comma 3, 4 comma 3, this is a point. Next 2 comma 6. So you need to find the distance between these 2 points. So here so whenever you have to find the distance between these 2 points, so based on this, so we are using distance formula. Okay, to find the distance between these 2 points, we are using the distance formula. So now I will be explaining you the distance formula. Okay, so where we will be deriving the distance formula. So then I will be solving some other questions which are given in your exercise. Okay. So suppose, so I will be trying to explain the same thing with the help of the graph. So suppose we have 2 points. So this is a point A and this is a point B. So if you want to find the distance between these 2 points A and B, so what you need to do is you just try to draw a line, okay, which is parallel to x-axis from the A and a line which is parallel to y-axis from the B. So now it looks like a right angle triangle. So this is our 90 degrees right angle triangle. So if you know the distance between this, suppose this point is O, not O, we'll make this as an C. If you know the distance between AC and BC, then we can find the distance between AB with the help of Pythagoras theorem. So we know the distance from origin to so this point is looks like x1 y1, so we'll take this point as an x2 y2. So the distance between origin to A is from the x-axis the distance is x1, and the distance from the this one is y1. Okay, so up to here this whole distance is x2, so the distance of this one is y2. Okay, so if you want to find the distance between AC, so AC is nothing but on the x-axis, so x2 minus x1, because both the y-axis are same. Here the y value will be 2, sorry, here also y value will be the 2. Okay, the y value will be the same on this axis. So if you want to find the, just now we have done, so when we have a point, suppose here we have a point x comma y, here also we have point some 6 comma 2, this is 2, so in the both the y value will be same. So to find the distance between A and C, we will be using x2 minus x1. So to find the distance between BC, so total distance minus this distance, so from the total distance if you subtract this distance, we will getting this. So total distance is y2 and this is y1, so you will be writing y2 minus y1. So now you can write in the whole square. So suppose if I explain on the board, this is some point A, this is B, we know the distance, so we need to find AC and BC distance to find the AB with the help of Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem explain the so the distance between this point to C, total distance is x2, and this total distance is x2, and up to here the distance is x1. This total distance is y2, and the distance between this point and x-axis is y1. So if you find the distance between BC, so it is nothing but total distance minus this distance. So this can be written as y2 minus y1. Similarly, this can be written as x2 minus x1. So now we will be applying the Pythagoras theorem. So AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. So AB we don't know. So AB, so AC is nothing but x2 minus x1 whole square, BC is nothing but y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is AB square. If square comes to the right side, we'll get a root. So this is how we got the distance formula. Okay, so you know, so now you may have known how we have derived the distance formula. Okay, so now I am solving some problems. So many of them has made a mistake, so you just try to watch this. So previously I have taken a question, so we will be solving this. So the first question is 2 comma 0, 0 comma 4. Next second question is 0 comma 5, 12 comma 0. Third question is 4 comma 3 and 8 comma 6. So I will be solving this question first 3. So then we will be taking some other questions which have some negative terms. So we know the distance formula is x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is the first term x1, this is y term, this is x2, this is y2. So x2 minus x1, so 0 minus 2 whole square, so y2 value is 4, so 4 minus 0 whole square. So 0 minus 2 is minus 2 and 4 minus 0 is 4. So minus 2 square is 4, this is 4 square 16. We got the value as a root 20. This is in units, you can write. Second question. So we are using same formula. This is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. So formula is x2 minus x1. So 12 minus 0, 12. Next 0 minus 5 will be minus 5. So 12 square 144, this is 25. If you add, we'll get 116, and 169 is the root of 13. So answer is 13 units. Next, so here also this is x1, y1, this is x2, this is y2. Distance between the x2 minus x1. So 8 minus 4 whole square. Next 6 minus 3 whole square. So 8 minus 4 is 4, 6 minus 3 is 3. So 16 plus 9, this is root 25. Root 25 value is 5 units. Okay, this is how we got the answer for this. So next I am solving some other questions. So I am taking a question as 1 comma minus 3 minus 4 comma 4, and one more question as 4 comma 1 minus 5 comma minus 2, and one more question as minus 5 comma 7 and minus 1 comma 3. Okay, I'll take one more question as a comma b and minus a comma minus b. So I gave the same question for the revision or practice, so many of them has made a mistake. We try to correct this. So first we'll do this one. So we know the distance, this is x1 y1 x2 y. You just write the point, this is x1 y1 x2 y2. So x2 minus x1, so minus 4 again minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1, so 4 minus, so what is the formula? The formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square and you under root. So we have under root, x2 value is minus 4, x1 value is 1, y2 value is minus 4, sorry, y2 value is 4, next we have minus, y1 value is minus 3. So I am just writing this one as in bracket. So many of them will be making the mistake at this time. So minus 4 minus 1 will become minus 5. See here, 4 minus 2 minus will become plus 3. So my 5 square is 25. This is 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 square is 49. You just add 9 plus 5 is 14. We need to carry 1, 6, 7. Root 74 is the answer for this. So here also we will be substituting the what is the distance formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So substitute, this is x1 y1 x2 y2. So y2 minus, so first we have x2 minus x1, so minus 5 minus 4 whole square. Next y2 minus y1, so minus 2, again we have minus here, y1 value is 1. So we have a same sign. I told you when you have same sign you need to add and keep the same sign. Here also we have a same sign, try to add. So minus 9 is 81, this is 9, so if you add you will get 90. So this is x1 y1 x2 y2. So x2 minus x1, so minus 1 we have minus x2 minus of x1, so minus 5 whole square, y2 minus y1, so minus 1 minus into minus become plus 5 whole square. So 7 minus 3 is 4, bigger number as minus 1, so minus. See, 5 minus 1 is 4, bigger number as plus 1, so plus. So minus 4 whole square is 16, this is also 16. 16 plus 16 will become root 32. So you can simplify it. Root 19 can be written as 9 into 10, so root 3 root 10. This can be also written as 16 into 2, so this can be written as 4 root 2. Next, last question, I am solving this one. So distance formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, so what is the x2 value? Minus a. X1 value is a. Next, y2 value is minus b. Minus y1 value is b. So whenever we have same sign we need to add. So minus a become minus 2a. Minus b become minus 2b. So 2 square is 4. So minus 2a, when you multiply minus 2a into minus 2a, minus into minus become plus 4, 2 to the 4, a become a square. So we'll get 4a square. Similarly it will be 4b square. We can take 4 common or just write in this. So you can write root of 4a square plus b square. Okay, so this is the answer. So what you need to do is you try to take some points. Okay, randomly you just take some point like 2 comma 3 minus 2 comma minus 3, a comma b, a comma minus b, or this is minus. Okay, you just take some random points, or you can take some question from your textbook. You try to solve them. Okay, so tomorrow I will tell you some of the questions from the R.T. Sharma or from your textbook, so which will be helping you. Okay, so the questions related, so okay. So now I will explain some topics. So what I am going to explain in the next class. So in the next class, first you need to understand. So what are the different types of questions which we will be going to ask for the distance formula? So he will be asking you, suppose we have any 4 points, so they will be giving you the 4 points. He will be asking you, these 4 points are forming a square, or you can say rectangle, or you can say these 4 points. With the 4 points we can find square, rectangle, rhombus, you have a parallelogram. If any 3 points are given, so he will be asking whether these 3 points are forming a triangle, or right angle triangle, isosceles triangle, or equilateral triangles. Or he may ask you to find the distance between the 2 points. Okay, so tomorrow we will be discussing the properties of the square, rhombus, parallelogram, and the triangle properties. So after discussing the properties, so I will tell you how to show the given point, how to show that the given points form a rectangle, square, or some triangles. Okay, so thank you for watching. So please share and like this video and subscribe the channels. Okay, thank you.